Tips and tricks for heavy equipment repair. Part 1. Heavy equipment is essential to many industries, from construction to agriculture, mining to forestry. These machines are built to withstand tough conditions and workloads, but they still require regular maintenance and repairs to keep them in top condition. Here are some tips and tricks for heavy equipment repair that can help keep your machines running smoothly and extend their lifespan. Number 1. Regular maintenance. The best way to keep heavy equipment running smoothly is to perform regular maintenance. This includes things like changing the oil, checking the hydraulic fluid, and inspecting the machine for any signs of wear and tear. Number 2. Keep the equipment clean. Make sure to clean the equipment regularly, paying special attention to areas where dirt and debris can accumulate, such as the air filters, radiator, and hydraulic system. Number 3. Use the right tools. Make sure you have the proper tools for the job before starting any repairs. Using the wrong tools can cause damage to the equipment and make the repair process more difficult. Number 4. Follow safety protocols. Safety should always be a top priority when working on heavy equipment. Make sure you are following all safety protocols, including wearing the appropriate safety gear and following the manufacturer's instructions. Would you like to learn more some tips and tricks? Just follow our tips and tricks video part 2. Visit our website interstateheavyequipment.com or call 469-370-7501 for heavy equipment repair and maintenance.